Hey guys, today I'm going to give you 6 tips on how to improve your interior photography. Let's get to it. Tip number 1, turn on all the lights. You want to try and create enough ambience as possible to try and make the look room cozy, and you actually want to be there, to be honest. I mean, this could be used for a promotion, so you want to make it look as cozy as possible. Tip number 2, use a tripod. Typically the shutter speed will be quite high because you're going to be using, you want to try and get as much light in as possible, so using a tripod will help stabilize everything, keep it nice and tack sharp. And not only that, you can actually get some really good angles, so definitely use a tripod. Tip number 3, shoot in HDR. I like to use HDR, which is 3 different exposures, bracketed shooting in your camera. It really helps get rid of those washed out windows, especially if you want to show the exterior of the shot. It gives context, it shows some kind of relevance to what you're trying to show in the photograph. Tip number 4, get low. I know it sounds silly, but you can really get some good angles, especially if there's a bed and there's all these different appliances. It makes the room look a lot wider than what it is. Trust me, it just works. Use it. Tip number 5, use a wide angle lens. It allows you to be up close to your chosen scenery and compress whatever is in the frame to give you a wider perspective. Say no more, just do it. You'll thank me later. Tip number 6, play around. I know this might sound a bit generic, but trust me, if you want to show an interior and you want to make it look fun and give some kind of context and make it look compelling, you want to stay there, have fun, play around. Show the exterior, show someone being there and actually utilizing the room. It will make a huge difference, especially if it's a promotion for a hotel or if it's going on booking.com or something. It will really help. Hope you like this video, guys. Please give me a like, it really goes far, and please subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more to come.